In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a stock on ThinkorSwim app. Now, first you have to find the stock you want to sell. So I'm going to go to the top right and tap on the search button. And from here, I'm going to look, for example, for Amazon, okay? So it's over here. I'm going to tap on it, and you want to tap on the sell button at the top right, as you can see. And when you do this, it's going to open up the order window. Here you can select either a limit order or any of the other order types, like, for example, market, stop, stop limit, etc. I'm going to go with the market order right now. And then you can select the time in force. I'm going to do day here. And then, of course, you could go ahead and see the cost of your trade as well. And then you can also see the account you're currently using to initiate this trade. So to sell it, you simply want to press at the bottom right where it says review. And then again, if everything looks good, you can just press at the bottom right again. And that's essentially going to initiate your trade and sell that stock. However, if you have already bought a specific stock earlier, you could also go to the top left and then tap on positions. And inside positions, you can see your stock. So as you can see, I have, let's say just if I tap on NVIDIA over here, I have 100 shares of NVIDIA over here. I can just press on where it says NVDA. There we go. And I can basically see it's going to pop up a close selected down there. So I've bought 100 of these. And if I tap on close selected, I'll be able to then go and basically close this. Okay. So as you can see, it says minus 100 shares. That's because I had 100 shares, and I can now sell them just like this. Press review, and the same way you have to again confirm it, and that way you've sold your shares. So that's it. That's how to sell stock. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.